ठीक है, होल्ड कर। आप शुरू किया आपने करना? अच्छा, क्या किया आपने? कब? ठीक है सर, ओके सर। ठीक है राकेश, दिनेश जी। अच्छा, ये नहीं है दिन अब रणवीर ऊपर को ब्लू वाला पानी डाल दो। Raghu, did you practicing home? Nalini. ठीक है रवि. शशिकल बच्चे. जी बच्चे. बच्चे. 8 बजे निकलेंगे ना, 8:30. कुछ सब ठीक है. सब ठीक है बच्चे. ठीक है बच्चे, थोड़ी देर में 8 8:30. ओके. Dina, I need to hear your room. There's no reason is not that. Understand this, Bache. And I'll help you here. Most of the people, and we've discussed this before many times, we talked about, Rakesh talking about what is the significance of having somebody in life as a teacher to guide you, right? To guide you. The ultimate things also comes up all the time is that how much hunger do you have? How much hungry are you to go to school, to have a teacher? If you are not hungry, I can't force you to eat, right? And there are two paths to it. One path says that you can get the karmas in which you can do all good deeds, but that good deeds will only take you to the path towards heaven where you can enjoy for some time. It's not taking you beyond that, right? And let's head to Dina Ben and then we'll come back again, please. आप लोग इधर हो जाए प्लीज. और इधर हो जाए. हाँ, आप आगे हो जाए दीपक. राजे, आप लोगों के लिए वो नमकीन कुकीज कौन लाया था? वो है ना, आप लोग सबको दे दो प्लीज. जी, मैं आपसे ओम सुनना चाहूँ, चाहे बाद में लेना आप. चले. आपने प्रैक्टिस करी घर पे कितनी बारी? हफ्ते में 2 दिन, 4 दिन? चलें, 4 दिन सुनाए क्या किया आपने. होल्ड करें बस। नहीं, तो तो लीश ले लीजिए, उसको साथ बिठा दो, मुझे दे दो। आपके पीछे पड़े नितिन जी, दोस्त आपके पीछे है। देवा नहीं, लीश लीश देवा बैठे, इसको बांध के मेरे को दे दीजिए साईं। तो एक बात समझे, and all of you are joining the Jai Sai Ram to all of you. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Come, इसको पकड़ रहा है, पकड़ो, छोड़ियो नहीं तो छोड़ो नहीं। The, you know, as all of you are chanting in your way,
Abaji, namaste.
all of you were chanting in your own way, right? And I can understand everybody has his own way of doing things, which is fine. Some can be so loud, some can be so low. That's okay. What is most important for us to understand is why are we emphasizing of 5 minutes of Om every day? What is the significance of that? First is that all of us really need to understand is that to connect to this universe, right? Connected to the supreme. What is that one thing which gets easily connected? What is that vibrations? What is that energy source? It puts you together. What makes your life easier? That's all. The whole sense of that, it is very supreme, very supreme. All of you are practicing on a regular basis, it's your call. You may practice, you may not practice, you may do, you may not do. Because end bottom line would be the end of the time, when the time comes up, whoever really has practiced knows what score he's going to get. It's simple. Nothing to do with me. Because at those moments, I will not be part of your journey. You yourself are going to be part of your journey. Neither your husband, wife, mother, father, brother, sister, friend, nobody. And if nobody is going to be part of your journey and you are going to be part, would you not like to do your daily work with more enthusiasm, with more commitment, with more passion? Most of the people, and there are two things to this also. Not everybody has to have liberation. It's not necessary, right? Not everybody wants to even go to heaven. Not most of the people say, "What heaven? This is heaven." That's fine. It's 100% agreeable. You don't have to be. You can live on the planet the day or time you want. You can do all good deeds. And based on the good deeds, obviously things are going to be that way. But more important and most important aspect is that early morning, the moment you open your eyes, the very first thing what you do is sitting on your bed is chant Om, chanting Om. That is the time when you can connect to the universe very easily. And where is the universe? Within us. Universe is not somewhere outside. Eh? Outside universe, what you see has been creation of him, and that minute part of that is all with all of us there. We carry everything. We carry the whole universe with us. How much are we hungry to be part of that? How much we hungry to be part of ourselves? Last week we had a discussion about outer and what was that? An outer,
Inner peace and outer.
outer fire, inner peace, right? Outside is what? It's all about. There's nothing. All distractions. And not see. We are in a family where we have our wife, our children, our parents. We have everybody around us, and we are responsible for all of them. Remember this. Nobody's saying, and nobody's ever said that you can ignore your family. You cannot ignore your family because you have taken the responsibility of leading your family. You have taken the responsibility of taking care of your family because that is how the circle has to go on. But what does it mean? It also means that you are responsible and liable to get your family into right path of direction. Somebody said, you know what, today the world has changed. We always talk about this. It's just a Wi-Fi world, it's an iPad world, and this is, it is the kids have distractions and they don't focus on that, they don't play. Which is true. But have we ever tried when we give our child a phone or an iPad or a laptop or a note, whatever we give them, have we ever tried that to tell them, why? Child, why don't you look at some stories of the past? So many Rishi Munis and people have been all over the world. They are beautiful stories, beautiful, beautiful stories. Some related to Lord Krishna, some to Lord Shiva, some to Rishi Munis, some to Vedas, Granthas, different saints and different periods of time. Have you ever tried that? Don't know, right? Have you ever told our kids, why don't you start and put a sound of something to chant with that? Why don't you try to understand what kind of Veds, Shrutis we had before? Because we ourselves are not there. We can only tell something what we have done, what we have understood, what we have practiced. Only then we can tell our children, is it not? What we have never focused, what we have never thought, how are we going to give it to our children? How do we expect them to change? How do we expect our families to change? We want our children to be best. What have we done to make them best? What is our contribution towards them?
What's that?
What is that? Older days, also parents would help you to do the homework. Now also some parents do. But you have studied. You have learned certain things to help your kids to do certain things. If not, then we feel let us find them a tutor. Let us find them a tutor who can help them to educate themselves. So we try to do a research to find the right tutor for them, right coaching classes for them. Why? So that they can excel. Our children can excel. They may get the best. They may score the best because now you are eager for them to succeed in life. You have done some research to find the right person. What is your own research? Where is your hunger? Are you hungry? Do you feel that part? We want our children to get like this. I want children to expecting like this. Do we really want to do that? Right? मेरे बच्चे,
वो हमें देखने का भी करेगा।
हाँ, लेकिन देखने के साथ साथ we have to have the eagerness for part. We have to have the passion for things. Remember one thing: something which has no passion will has no results. Just forget about it. If you are just doing it for the, I see certain things, and people haven't to be, but is that we are doing certain things because we want certain things. We are always looking for something, whether it is regards to family, children, properties, anything. We always want Bhagavan, Shanti Dena. Give us peace. Give us happiness. Take care of our children, our families. What have you done? What have you done for that? And why is the situation that you have to go and ask Bhagavan about it? Then, okay. Really? मिलेगा तो नहीं ना? अच्छा. Why? आप कभी सोचो, have you ever think about this? Why do we have to go and ask Bhagavan in any form, please take care of us family? We want nothing from you. Just give us inner peace and happiness. You have given us enough in terms of monetary gains. We don't even say that, huh? Because we net is net. It's underlined, we don't tell him. I'm just saying, right? Because we don't want that to stop giving us.
Action is the most important thing.
Huh?
Action.
Excellent. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to do the acts. We are supposed to do the actions to get inner peace. We are supposed to do things to get inner happiness. Deva, would you sit or you want me to make you sit? I don't see, I always feel this part, and why do we have to? Why is no attraction towards God? You know, we have attractions to so many things, but we don't have attraction towards God. You know, our feeling for Him. Like, come on, let me chant this, let me do this, let me do that, let me do diya in the evening, let me go water to Tulsi ji. Everything else we want to do except waking ourselves. Come on. It is so simple. At your young age, you are after somebody, either before marriage or after marriage. But after your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband, whatever, right? Somewhere after, वो हंस क्यों रहा है? ये तो ऐसे हंस रहा है जैसे पुरानी पोल नहीं खुल जाती बंदे की. So, how do we learn about it? How do we feel all the time? How are we thinking all the time? What are we acting all the time? I was watching something yesterday talking about some. They said, "Oh, what is that you do to get to your? If you need a partner, what will you do? I'll give flowers. I'll get a bouquet. Find a good gift. I'll get chocolate." Bullshit. What about him? Where is he? Where is that gift for him on a regular basis? Where is the desire? That first thing is him. Remember one thing, Raja. The day and time you start loving him, the day and time you start doing the act what he wants you to do, you don't have to ask him anything. You will not need to ask nothing from him. चाय दो क्या देखो चाय चाहिए He has he doesn't have to come and give you something. दिनेश अगर इसको दे रहा हो, सिमी देख तेरे को कैसे घूर रही है.
भाई 1 वीक से चाय नहीं पिया, इसलिए तलब हो रही है आज. हमारा
ये मुझे यहाँ पर रघु ऐसा लगता है राजा जैसे यहाँ पे ना किसी ने महफिल लगा रखी है. दिखाता हूँ, शो ऑल ऑफ यू वन सेकंड. ना नहीं ये देखो, ये देखो, ये नीला में इधर, ये सारे ये देखो, इसे महफिल लगी है.
just was being honest.
हाँ इधर तो ये
महफिल है तो बाबा का महफिल है ना फिर.
हाँ, अभी बाबा का नाम दे दो. गिलास अपने हाथ में पकड़े हुए हैं, पीने वाले ये है, नाम बाबा का. I saw Senthil somewhere in.
Yeah, Senthil also joined Babaji.
Ah, I saw the name.
Yeah, video on me here.
Oh, look.
Hello, Babaji.
Oh,
Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Babaji.
oh, look at that beautiful couple on the to see both of you.
Good morning.
You know, this is like a Ishvara Darshanam.
Somebody else also Satya Venkat.
Satya is there. Satya will not come because Venkatji doesn't want to come on screen. So that is why Satya will not come.
And Dul Das.
Dul Das.
Dul Das.
प्रभु वो तो स्वयं दास हैं, तो why will they give us an opportunity to connect, right? ऐसा होता ही है. She came, then she went. It is fine. However, so remember one thing, Raja. The only thing which will give you, help you in your life is yourself. You know, it is said in the past, you don't have to really travel for getting peace or happiness. You don't need to. On a daily basis, what are the acts you do is important. Prabhu, Dandvatam, everything we will do.
No, nothing for you. No.
Deva, Dev.
So how we can fight with our distractions?
We don't need to fight with our distractions. Okay.
तो distractions ही हमें stop करती है.
No. There is nothing fight. Fight is what?
Like जैसे मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ, I feel better. आंखें खोलता हूँ फिर वो distractions आती हैं.
नहीं, क्योंकि आंखें खोलने के बाद हम वो देखना नहीं चाहते जो हम आंखें बंद करके देख रहे थे.
Then like
It is not simple, मेरा बच्चा.
So
Let
it's
me.
in our mind.
Yes, it is here. Remember a few weeks back we discussed about self-realization and self-justification. आप नहीं थे प्रभु, आपके दर्शन बाद में हुए हैं. So the major problem is with self-justification and self-realization. That is the only problem. The moment you stop justifying your acts and realizing your acts, you will find yourself in a better position. Deva, we do that? It is beautifully said, Raja. When your good time comes, first of all, realize one part is how fortunate you are, or people like you, not only you, but people like you who have the desire to at least listen something. First step is that. How fortunate and blessed you are, and people you are somewhere, wherever they are connected, doesn't matter. It is not important that everybody has to be connected to you. They can be connected anywhere. There are so many ways to get connected to him. To get to connected him anyways you can. But that is, you're already fortunate. You are blessed. Or I may say you're honored to have that opportunity of connecting. Now, What you need to do is you need to give the right nutrition to that plant. Now you need to feed it with the right thoughts. Now you need to do things very correctly so that you keep your connections on. I was listening to this. I really love that part and keep listening to this. One phrase. It is with Bhagavad Purana. And I love that one phrase. I will go back. I have been trying to listen to this for so long. I have not been able to proceed that one phrase. And that beautiful phrase was that look at the fruit from the tree. He says the juices, the sweetness that fruit gets, where is it coming from?
The tree.
From the
Tree.
so you know that. So you know that, right? Wonderful. Remember this, huh? So if the tree already has the sweetness, but can you take it out from it? Why?
Because it's ripe.
The tree is not ripe.
The fruit is not ripe.
The fruit is not ripe. It is not given any flower to become a fruit. That fruit has everything. That fruit are you. That tree is you, all of you. All of you have everything what is needed to have a wonderful sweet the fruit with sweetness. Now you give me a bitter gourd or an apple, it is up to you, right?
Oh, let the season come.
Hmm.
The fruit can only come when the season is.
Yeah. Your season will come tomorrow morning by 9:30. You wait and watch.
We'll see.
Hmm. You have everything with you. Only thing is, you need to make it towards a fruit. What is that fruit in a human form?
So,
No, but how would you let that come out?
Karma and thought.
Right? But that is you. Right karmas, right thoughts, right? What is it? How will it reflect
In actions.
in action? What
thoughts.
Leading to inner peace.
inner peace, okay? When people start getting that from vibrations and energies from you, when other people get from you, when they feel that they want to get attracted to you, huh? Raja, towards God, it is our attraction. माँ, आप सही नहीं बैठ रहे हो ना? आप उधर आ जाओ सामने. हाँ, थोड़ा आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो जाओ. आप ऐसे बैठ जाओ. उनको गर्दन घुमानी पड़ रही है. अच्छा नहीं है. हाँ. आप थोड़ा सा और से ऐसे हो जाओ उधर. हाँ, आराम से बैठ जाओ. मेरे को देखने के लिए नहीं, उनको देखने के लिए.
अभी जहाँ से मुझे हटाया था वहीं वापस. इसमें भी एक है बात.
3 साल
नहीं. ये
तो
जगह-
बोलना तो बोल तो सही. तेरे को
ये जगह-
तेरे को कहूँगा देख.
यही बना था राइट.
Always one thing is very clear. One thing is clear. All of us need, you know how that older days we used to take churning it,
Churning.
churning. Butter. We need to keep churning ourselves. And you have no idea, Raja.
बट मंथन से सभी कुछ नहीं होगा.
जहर निकलेगा तो अमृत आएगा.
Manthan.
समुद्र मंथन.
Churning.
Churning.
मेरे को कौन पिएगा पहले.
पहले भी मैंने ही पिया, अभी मैं ही पीऊंगा. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayanaya. 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 Om Namo Narayana. Shri Satchidanand Sadguru Sai Ram. Till the time we start realizing that we don't exist. We don't exist. Our existence is illusion. It's pure illusion. His existence is the truth. Our existence is not the truth.
Then, Bhaiji, what is the significance of our karma?
Huh?
But
That's
any
it.
karma is not.
If you reach that stage, only then. If
We are
you,
all there.
I'll come back later. Huh?
We are all there.
नहीं मेरा बच्चा. The day you decide I'm not doing it, I'll give you the example. I'll come. I'll give you the example.
इधर नजर खिलाता है देवा
Rajiv, और भी है?
क्या?
चाय खत्म करनी
पटियाला दे दो
नहीं, पटियाला वाला तो भी चालू होगा। मत लो।
Om Namah Shivaya. 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 That's it. So, आपको कल का किस्सा बताता हूँ आपको। तो कल शिवा को मैंने बोला I have to go to warehouse. I need to leave. It was around 11ish something, 11:30. I have to go. There's certain things I have to do. A child came. I took along with me. We went. I reached the warehouse and I started having uncomfortableness. I don't know what was it. And after some time, I told, okay, I have to go. But all of this process, it took a lot of time. Go, come. There were things to happen. Food bank supposed to come. A lot of things are going on. What happened? After some time, like maybe after 2 hours or something, I was like, just go. Just go. Okay. I started, I came. I was waiting for the truck to come back to see what items are coming in and not. No. And the food bank to come. No, just go. No. I come inside and Shiva had led the prasad for the morning. I said, I'll come and take it. Don't worry about it. I'm just warming it up to have that prasadam for the breakfast supposed to be coming up, and it's 5-7 minutes. Then I see somebody coming in. And obviously door was open. They came. I know the family. And I said, normally, like, how did you know we were open? Kati, I don't know. I said I wanted to meet Baba because they were leaving for British Columbia. So I said, I just had this feeling that you will be there. That's all. That you will be there. I said, normally Saturdays I'm not there at all. I don't come back till 6 o'clock. Kati, no, I don't know. Something told me you will be there. I came. So something is who? Who is that something?
So it's not an illusion. So it is not an illusion.
No. The physical part of talking about illusion. This is the internal part of it. This is your conscious inner part. That's not illusion. Conscious is not illusion. Your inner self is not illusion. That is what exists. That is the existence. See, what is need to be done is to get to that. Then there's nothing you need to do. You don't even need to think anything. You don't need to do anything. You will see things are happening. And exactly knew the reason after talking to her why Baba pushed to bring. He didn't tell me that somebody is coming. He just made me in a situation that just leave without even saying everybody, okay, I'm leaving. No, just go. And within 5 to 7 minutes, like one time, like with them, it happened one time. We didn't know. Coming back to your part is, there are two things, Mera Bacha. In a physical body, you are limited to certain things in terms of karmas. You correctly said we have to do our karmas, not denying the fact we don't have. We have to do our karma. And we have to do right karma. This is true. But doing that, we need to remember one thing, there is something more beyond that.
Let's say we all know that. What is the next thing?
How do?
We all know that. It's a given.
Then there's no question after that. Then there is no question after that. If you really know what is next,
No, we don't.
you just said, suppose we believe, we know
There is
that
something beyond, but we don't know what.
you
That's the
don't.
point.
How? Tell me how.
No, I don't know. We don't.
No, you said karmas we have to do, right?
But there is something beyond that. We know that. That's what asks you to come here without a reason to leave from there. What is that? How do we know that?
We need to work on it. Unfold yourself.
So where is the illusion part now?
The illusion part would have been, illusion part on that existence was if I would have holded myself.
For us.
No. For your part is, how much in yourself that you believe that whatever is happening, how many times it is from the brain and how much time it is for the flow?
Where do you let your brain not lead you and go with the flow?
Okay. Now let me come back in last 4 days of activities with you. Last 4 days. Let's not go far. Last 4 days, 2 days we did not meet and 2 days we spent time. Why was that? We did not have work before that. We did not have work after that.
Agreed.
Last 2 days we did not meet.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
No. If you did not know, you would have not left.
Well, you were not here, and
I was
had to be
here.
somewhere.
No. I was here. You had to be somewhere. You had to be somewhere. So there was something predetermined, committed. We need to proceed.
Exactly.
Was it not 2 days prior to that?
I wasn't supposed to be anywhere at that time.
So it was meant to have certain things to be happening that time.
But there is also another dimension.
Hmm?
Those days, the day we could meet, you were available. That's the other side of it.
No, a day before, on Friday, I was doing Aarti. I was available.
Well, yes and no. You were doing Aarti. I had only 10 minutes.
You had only 10 minutes. That's it. You had only 10 minutes. That
But
is,
your Aarti wouldn't have ended in 10 minutes.
it's not my Aarati,
But it wouldn't have ended in 10
but
minutes.
not my Aarati.
Irrespective, it wouldn't have
No,
ended.
no, 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 Mera Bacha. No, no, no. This is the illusion. It is not my Aarati. It is his part.
Given his Aarti wouldn't have ended in 10 minutes.
Does agreed? So what was there? I
So
had
I
a
was there.
no. You're not understanding that. You're trying to prove a point, you're not understanding a point. When his Aarti is happening, it has started at what control I don't control.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying also. That where I have to be, I can't. There are so many other factors involved.
Okay. When you have to be, if you don't control,
I can't.
nahi Raja. I will prove you again this week. If you say you don't control, remember this also. Two things you need to remember now. You said you don't control, and I'll prove it that you control.
I'd like to know that too.
Nahi mera bachcha. In a karmic situation, when we have to do our jobs, our commitments, our home things, there are certain things which are planned to be done. There are certain things in a physical world you can overlook and certain you cannot overlook.
Correct.
Okay. So what is happening here is then when you have to go to a job at 9:30, you have to be at the job at 9:15. You cannot change that. The uncertainty of the time, we see uncertainty of, not uncertainty of time, but we look at that way. So you plan according to it. Okay. Now we need to, supposedly we need to reach the office at 10 o'clock. So it takes us 20 minutes to go to Saidam. We go there, probably maybe open or not. So we'll be there by that time. Right? But the moment we reach there, the door is already closed. Now we are free even 15 minutes before. Forget open, it's closed. No, we still have 15-20 minutes. We'll still proceed to the office. Move on to that part of it. On the opposite situation, the door is open. You come inside the door. You see, Aarti is not even happening, right? We're probably sitting outside. We happen to talk outside. Then we don't know what's happening. But if there is something inside you which is hitting you, we need to go, we need to go, we need to go, we need to go.
Where?
Somewhere, right? You will know yourself. You will know. Two things will happen there. Either whatever is happening in the present situation, that is important to me or not, or what I've committed to somebody, I need to inform. I can't ignore, but I need to inform. Because ignoring is disrespectful, because you got something important to do. So that when you come to in this situation, when you come to this part, that moment you know something is holding you. Something is controlling, letting you be, forcefully holding you.
So is that an illusion?
That's not decimal. That is something is holding you. So you know that's not it. But now that you come to in a trap of self-justification and self-realization. That is where it comes to be. That is where we need to be careful then. Raja, trust me one thing. If we would have understood this part in life, we would have not been going through anything. To reach to a point where things start to happen on its own, it's a different world. It's an entirely different world. There's nothing to do into any kind of existence. Nothing. The experience, the thoughts, everything changes. To an extent, you're eating, sleep. I'll give you just an example. One more example I'll give you. So yesterday when I came back, I was not well. I was feeling something is not. After even talking to them, I was telling Baba, there is something not right with me. I don't know what it is. I tried to call Gudiya. Gudiya was probably sleeping, not well, which I came to know later anyway. She was not. Though it was around 6 something, and I said, Baba, I can't do the Aarti. I'm having difficulty. I probably have a feeling I'll fall. But it cannot be. So I pushed myself. I woke up, went to Baba, put the evening diya on, put the agarbatti to Baba, and said, Baba, I need your help. I can't. I'm having a little part. So you have to bring my thoughts or turn myself sometime. Right around at 6:25, children come in. Baba brings them in. So he took care of the Aarti part. I was not sure. He helped me, took care of the shade Aarti. He took care of everything. As everybody went, I probably tried to contact Gudiya. I was not able to contact, and I don't want to. I was in dilemma to eat, not eat, eat, not eat, eat, not eat.
Why was it dilemma?
Because I was not feeling from inside of myself. I was feeling there's something, my body is not going to support me. I said, well, I don't want to eat. Forget it. Then I got a message from one of the child saying, I'm going to, the van, yellow van is on the deliveries to Toronto. So we'll be coming there by 9:30. Now it was already 8:30 only. It was still 1 hour to go. Now within that 1 hour time, I did not know what to part. I can't sleep. I have to wait. I can't tell the child to come early. I can't tell him because I know that he has gone to warehouse. He spent his afternoon loading that van and feeding those people downtown Toronto because they wait for him. I do not want to. Then Gudiya's message, I was talking to Gudiya's, why you can, I said, no, we're not doing that. So the moment you text the person, what are you going to do? What are you actually giving that person a thought now? Because you are home, you want to sleep, you want your comfort. I make that person guilty conscious now. I will be doing a wrong thing by texting and calling that person and putting him into guilty conscious situation. Oh, I'm not feeling well, Gyanji. Can you please come early? That's all. You bear it. So I was talking to Gudiya. It was happening, and around 9:45, 45, he came. Unfortunately, his car was standing on the other side. Baba said, move his car. Because the van can be parked there. So children coming in the morning, make space for them. If you act the van, they can't park. The children won't be able to park it in the morning. I've started his car and the man came in. We came out. And what happens? We still had our discussion for 10 to 15 minutes with him. What is the plan? How to take it more? What buildings can be covered? A lot of other things. No rush. I have to sleep. What happens? This is the moment now. Sarji, I brought some prasad for you. Yesterday was some Narayan's special day. And I made some pongal, sweet and the salty one, both of them. The wife sent it for you, please. Just made it prasad. I also, that is why I went home to bring it. Now I'm looking at him and Baba, what is that now? There's everything in the fridge. There's children made some food in the morning. That is still there on the counter. Who's working? Who's taking care? Who? Is this illusion? What is it? What would you call this? Not one incident, not two incidents. I see this every single day. I see this every single day. He taking care of every single thing. Every single thing. But to your point, it's a journey we all have to go through. You are blessed. You are honored to have this. All of you. You have some kind of a connection that you're able to spend your time now also in any form, whether here or here. So you have also look at all the good things, connect that. And then you will get the answer that we need to do something more. That's all. We need to come out of me, mine. There's nothing. There's no me and mine. Baba beautifully had a discussion. I don't know whom it was. Last week we had it or before. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji was, the enlightenment he got of Tera, 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 right? But everybody was not getting to that point that before Tera, Tera, he had to weigh that. पहले वजन रखा ना? You don't know the story? So that's about at how Guru Nanak Dev Ji started getting in when as a child. His father had a shop, retail merchant shop. So one day it was his job to go and give things to sell it out. So somebody wanted few items, and the counting was more than, like say, 15 or 20, whatever, right? So he was counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and giving 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. In Hindi or Punjabi, it said till 12 it was fine. The moment he said 13, 13 means tera. Yours. The 13 is tera also, 13 means tera also, and tera becomes yours. So the moment he said yours, while weighing and giving, he forgot the counting. And he kept giving the person tera, 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 yours, yours, yours. And that is where his life started to go into that. That is where he walked away of everything. Then he got their realization, spark happened, and spark said, tera, yours, yours. But before doing that, he had a way. It kept on moving to do that. It's how we talked about the churning of, right? In realistical term, mera bacha, it is very simple. That you put the milk, you start churning, butter starts to lift, you put it in the fire, it becomes ghee. Good. It looks easy. But in a physical world, in a Kali Yuga, it is very difficult. It is immensely difficult because we are away from everything. We are away from our roots. We are away from our culture. We are away from our connectivity. We are only engrossed in what is in that one home we have. Our life turns around that only. Our life doesn't go beyond that. Everything boils down to one thing. What is coming to our home? What is there for our children? What is there for our old age? What is there for our future? It's everything like that. I'll give you a weird example and we'll move forward on that, right? So there is a child who's asking Baba that I want this thing, which except him, nobody can do it. Very clear. It's not happening. So there is a situation of some karmics to do towards that dedication and commitment to get what nobody can give you. No matter how much you do, it cannot be done. How much you do it. So now the opportunity comes of whatever work or karmas to be do. Initially it looks okay for a few days. And then slowly it becomes difficult. And then all justification starts to come. All the justification comes. Because that is taken for granted. That is not taken for surrender and acknowledgement. It is not. And now that child has even gone beyond that part of karmas also. Something totally. Why I'm saying this? On a daily basis, if you can do it, we discussed it before also, please spend time with your family and children. Daily. Morning or evening. We, in our part, in a Sanatan Dharma part, we have Sai Kalam, Sandhya Archanam. Right? If you cannot do in the morning, supposedly, make sure you can do it in the evening. If nobody is there, you do it. But do it. Why? Because on a regular basis, on a routine basis, it is not you. It is you have to show the world. It is for yourself. It is just for you. And how easy it will become? The moment you get into routine, very simple. And what can be done in the evening? Gayatri. So see, look at that, Shifra. Only the distance is less. Right? So what do we do? Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasarveturvareniyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurveturvareniyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurveturvareniyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo devasya dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo
He.
Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Diyo yo nam prachodaya Om Bhurbhuvah swaha tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo yo nam prachodaya Om Shanti 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 Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu samasta loka sukhino bhavantu Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu samasta loka sukhino bhavantu Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu.
Oh,
Sri Satchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj. We need to follow only the principle of 9. Okay. People say 11, 21. No. If you can do 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, right? Do it in the dimensions of 9. Simple. If you cannot do more, minimum 9 times. Do it. Saikalam Raja. and the day and night are marrying together. Sandhya Archana is that time only. Morning you can do, morning is before the sunrise. Wow. Gayatri is no restriction. Gayatri, you can driving. See, we discussed this last time also, Raja. Gayatri mantra is one mantra you can do anywhere, anytime. You can do at home and you can do at Shamshan, at cremation ground. किसी के जन्म पे भी और किसी के मरण पे. Somebody takes birth, you can do Gayatri. Somebody passes away from the world, you can do Gayatri. So the only request is, Raja, please, please, if you are hungry, if you're not hungry, that's fine with me. The more you get into you, it's easier. Otherwise, time will go, mera bacha. Time will anyways go. Time will still pass. Either you know, for the ladies of the home, what will happen? They're all the time at the kitchen, either work or kitchen, cleaning, dusting, cooking, washing. Huh? No, mera bacha. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying, time is going.
But what do we do if you don't do it? If I sit maybe for an hour,
बट यही बात पे जो पहले हमारी बात हुई थी ना कि एनीथिंग दैट वी आर डूइंग इफ वी आर हैविंग वी आर डूइंग फॉर यू नो लाइक उस थॉट के साथ हम चले तो आई थिंक इट डजंट बिकम एवरी मोमेंट बिकम्स अ मेडिटेटिव मोमेंट देन राइट एनीथिंग
You are blessed, mera bacha. The mothers are the blessed people. You have so much opportunities on a daily basis. The first thing you get up is what do you do? Normally, the moment, if you don't do Om, I'm just saying, right? The very first thing is, the moment they get up from the bed will be, tight the hair, get ready for the war. Why? Quick brush, shower, kitchen, cooking, breakfast, tea, whatever. Somebody wants coffee early morning. Here, hey, everybody, hey, coffee for you. Hey, and what do you do? Huh?
You are giving up.
Yeah, but how can you make it for yourself? How can you make everything as prasadam, or how can you enjoy every moment now? Ready? Can we enjoy, Raja? For the mothers of the world, right? And then we will take that sign off.
आजकल उल्टा हो रहा है लॉकडाउन
अभी तो वजन बढ़ रहा है.
मैं कर रहा हूँ
हाँ, तो क्या करना है राजा? For all the mothers, when they are doing everything, tight. Om Namo Narayanaya, 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 Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya, 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 Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Shanti.
I think one thing I can only say for myself, if you're driving and if you're doing any mantra, make sure you have somebody next to you. What happens to me is, and I don't know, randomly it happens, I start falling asleep. When I'm doing mantra and I'm falling.
Okay. Nothing wrong in this. You're right. You're right. The moment it happens, call me.
Too late.
No, Raj. I did not tell you to dial me.
No, I'll tell you what happens. I don't even have the consciousness to pull over, especially on freeways.
Wonderful. Let it go.
And it has happened also that I have driven for 5-10 minutes without.
Raja, I'll give you example of last week.
Pata hi nahi chalta.
I'm Highway 427. Huh? This is beautiful.
Oh, you also.
Nalini can. और राजा आपका सेवक हो. So I was listening to Bhagavatam, and I was going on, and my eyes closed. It is not a good situation in a social world. It's not a good situation. But I opened my eyes. Both sides the cars and trucks are running. I'm driving in the center lane. Remember one thing.
So what was the illusion then in this?
There was no illusion in this.
Were you asleep was an illusion?
Raja,
Or you thought that you were asleep but still driving was the illusion?
I didn't even think anything.
What was
Because I actually had no questions about it. Because Narayan said in Bhagavad, when you are with me, you don't need to worry.
So the only time we are not asleep is everything is illusion then. That's what it means.
I don't know, Raja. Itna padha likha nahi hu main. So I let all of you go. Please don't do that while driving, huh?
Yeah, so have some.
Senthil, you can't take these chances, huh? Please. No more. Anita will stop cooking then. We'll all have to live on your smoothie then. Nalini, remember, huh? Early morning before going to office, Senthil came. This is here. So I let all of you go, get part of your work. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. But please follow Om chanting morning. Please do evening Sandhya Archanam. And try to give yourself, not to take. Don't ask, give. Then you will see what's happening. Yeah, Saram Satya Venkatji. Enjoy. Sai mera bacha. Sai.